Hey guys, welcome to this pre-launch video, and in this one we're going to show you how you can train your own AI messenger bot on the AI Bot Ninja platform in under 1 minute. That's right, it's that easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. So what you're seeing my screen right here is what you see after you've connected your page to the platform. You will see our dashboard like the way you do right now. And let me just go in and see what my flows are. Now, flows are basically the building blocks of the platform where you can train the bot to answer the different questions and do different marketing automation stuff. So if you check out this flow right here, let me just go in and see what that looks like. I'm basically training the bot to respond to different questions like, do you ship to Nevada? So now this is a very typical question that anyone who's doing like online shipping or running a local business and doing national shipping is a pretty common question for them to have. So the moment I answer this, type this question in, and I can add different tags to it. So basically, it's going to train the bot to kind of relate shipping and delivery to this question, broadly speaking. And you can click on this brain icon right now, and you can see that the AI service which runs at the back end was correctly able to classify Nevada as the location and the intent which is shipped. So this pretty much covers the incoming question and how the bot kind of understand what the question is. The second part is how does the bot respond, right? And so here, if you scroll down, you'll see a list of different response options that you have, everything from text, image, cards, so on and so forth. So I just grabbed a text component over here, and I said indeed, and I can click on this hash button over here, and I'll see all the available attributes that I have, one of which is the first name. And I just said indeed, yeah, and yes we do. And then I press the thanks button, and it basically is a standard button. We have different support for the button types in Messenger. You can trigger a phone call, you can talk to a human agent, you can trigger another flow if you want to, you can do a web flow. So the standard button basically is very simple. You press the button and a standard text response goes out after that happens. And in the action page, you basically go and you can have a wide array of actions available. You can prompt a live agent to come in and take over. You can send an automated email. You can add a tag. You can remove a tag. You can unsubscribe someone from your bot. You can add an attribute, or you can also trigger another flow. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to add tag, and I'm going to classify this member, whoever presses this button, with the Nevada shipping tag. So let me just go into my audience section right here. And let me scroll down, and you'll see all the people who have interacted with the bot over here. You can also export this list for your Facebook remarketing campaign if you want to. And as what you can see is here, you can click on my audience profile. And once you go in, because I've already interacted with this bot, you'll see that I have the Nevada shipping tag added right here because I pressed that button, and that's how it kind of gets set up in the back end. So as you can see, it's a very, very simple interface. Anyone who's comfortable using WordPress will be comfortable using this platform to kind of manage their Messenger chatbots and without facing any sort of issue or problem whatsoever. They can also add attributes to users. For example, you can see a list right here. Like we have a ton of features on this platform, and I could go on about it, but I'll really just talk about what makes our launch this very, very exciting, which is not only the product which we're giving away an annual license for a one-time fee of only $37. I mean, if you think about it, I mean, some of our competitors are maybe like they're probably charging 10 or 20 times that for annual pricing. But we are charging a one-time annual license fee of only $37 on the front end. On the upsell, we are basically offering people a template library for $97. And if you look it up online, like any templates for Messenger can cost anywhere from up to say $60 to like all the way to like $500, right? It can get pretty expensive. But we are giving people access to our template library where they can install our proven Messenger bot templates for themselves without any coding, without any hassle whatsoever. Let me just show you how simple that is. You just go to the library section, which you have enabled if you brought that upgrade, and you just click install, and you'll see all the subsequent flows for that bot installed in your Messenger bot. It's that simple. So we are going to have over 10 different templates available, and we'll be adding templates every month, and people will have access to all of that for a one-time fee of only $97. It's such a great deal. And even apart from that, there has been a lot of demand for people who really want to customize their bots and want to do complex integrations with Zapier and stuff like that. So for them, we are going to have our second upgrade, which is a hands-on masterclass where I'm going to walk them through how they can leverage the Flow Editor to its full potential, including using our external requests module, which can interact with their, say, other CRM or other, say, API-based systems and make really interactive and useful chatbots, which they can use for running competitions, which they can use for offering their complex integrations to their client with only, say, 10 minutes of work involved, and you can get paid $10,000 or even more for that one simple integration, right? So to recap, we have $37 front-end product. We have the $97 template library product, which is a one-time upsell. And then we also have a $197 masterclass, which is only for advanced people or people who want to be advanced chatbot developers, and we're going to show them how they can pretty much go above the typical low-level chatbot stuff and build really interactive, complex AI-enabled bots on this platform. So if you guys have any questions or any feedback, feel free to comment in the section below, and either my JV manager Adrian or I will get back to you. If you have any requests or for email swipes and stuff like that, feel free to get back to us, and we will definitely reach out to you and help you out as soon as possible. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a great launch, and cheers.